The oath-taking ceremony for the newly elected officials and governing body members of the Arts Council of Pakistan, Karachi, was held at Auditorium 1. The event was graced by the presence of several distinguished guests, including the Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, Sindh Minister Culture, Sayyid Zulfikar Ali Shah, Commissioner Karachi, Sayyid Hassan Naqvi, Consul Generals from Turkey, Sri Lanka and Iraq, as well as notable personalities from the fields of literature and the arts. The ceremony began with the recitation of the Quran and the national anthem. The newly elected officials and governing body members for the 2025 to 2026 take oath by the Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah. The newly elected officials include Muhammad Ahmad Shah, President, Manawar Saeed, Vice President, Professor Ijaz Ahmad Farooqi, Secretary, and Nurul Huda Shah, Joint Secretary. Members of the governing body who took the oath include Dr. Huma Mir, Dr. S.M. Kaisar Sajjad, Muhammad Iqbal Latif, Dr. Ambreen Hasib Ambar, Ghazi Salauddin, Sayyid Sajid Hassan, Muhammad Ayub Sheikh, Akhlaq Ahmad Khan, Amjad Hussain Shah, Abdullah Sultan, Farooq Tanveer Shahab, Dr. Amjad Siraj, Dr. Jafar Ahmad, Aliya Iqbal Naqvi, Wasim Badami, Chandgul Shah, and Ghaus Akbar. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, congratulated the newly elected body, emphasizing that the success of Muhammad Ahmad Shah and his team since 2008 has been remarkable. There were no elections held in the previous 2 years, and this time too, Ahmad Shah emerged victorious. The way Ahmad Shah has broken his record every year is unprecedented, and that is why he was successfully in this election as well. President Arts Council of Pakistan, Karachi, Muhammad Ahmad Shah expressed his gratitude to the Chief Minister, the Minister of Culture, and all the distinguished guests. He said the success was not his alone, but a collective victory, emphasizing the public's trust in his team. He acknowledged that all these successes have been made possible by the Sindh government, and especially the Chief Minister of Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, who plays a pivotal role. Sayyid Murad Ali Shah is the backbone of these initiatives. He added that the World Culture Festival Summit will commence on November 6, and the World Culture Festival in November 2025 will be a global scale event. 64 countries already agreed to perform at the World Culture Festival, and in the next 9 months, over 100 countries artists will perform at the Arts Council. The World Culture Summit will address 5 major global issues: science, environmental, violence, AI, and digital evolutions, which has reached a standstill. He further noted that talent is emerging from Karachi and work begins in Hyderabad and other cities of Sindh. Teacher salaries are also being provided, and ongoing events such as the Music Festival, Theatre Festival, and Youth Festival will continue.